simple track saw. Here we are with a 3 foot by 4 foot section of pretty cheap plywood, really, and an old steel saw I got at a pawn shop several years ago. This is the first of several videos I'll be doing that involve kind of minimalist tools. And the main purpose is I really just don't have a shop. I don't even have a garage. This location for the video isn't my house. So I am preparing to do several different projects with mostly limited space. And I figured since we're working with improvised tools, we might as well kind of see what we can do with the least amount we can. So first project here is this video, and then the next one up will be like kind of a mini table saw. So this strip here is what the saw will right against. That cut is facing the other way, so it's not real important. And I managed to not charge the drill ahead of time. You'll see me go back and forth between a screwdriver and a drill. And here I think I have a full battery, and I don't. That drill is several years old, and it's kind of hard to tell when the battery is ready to go. Alright, so I just referenced the arrow that told me which side was the good side of the strip. And really with that, we are almost done with this project. There's really just once it's screwed in here, we'll do the final run, where we'll kind of get the zero clearance edge off the blade of the saw, and then you're ready to go. So once this tool is set, it'll actually help me to make the next tool, and you'll end up seeing this in several videos in the future. Yeah, the battery's dead again already. So we get to you get to watch me drill. Oh, now here's the battery again. We're good. Okay, so these are the almost done measurements. Okay, now you get to see my kind of insane setup here. Just so happens that 2 buckets and a short pile of wood are the same height on the workbench there. And I love those clamps that I just put on there, but I seem to always forget which way they twist when I put them on. So this is the final big cut, and you can see how much I bought this all for at a pawn shop about 5 years ago. It's been sitting around. I have a different saw I normally use. This one is on hand because I'll be making the table saw with it. And here we go. All that's left is to just sand it down, ease the edges, make sure I don't get any splinters. That's about it. So coming up here in the near future, I will be doing, like I say, the table saw build, several small projects around my house, and repairs around my house as well too, all of them with kind of these minimal homemade tools. So you'll see this guy again here pretty soon. And hey, thanks for watching the video. Here's my name is Micah, and we'll be doing some more of this YouTube stuff. I'm real excited about it. So I hope you subscribe and see what else I end up doing with this little track saw device. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, guys.